just wanna have a good time. Party up until late night. Nobody gonna tell us no.
Wargwarn guys, we saying welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Wargwarn guys, we saying welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Samantha Grace. Get to know. And if you're not new to my channel, your girl is back with another video for you guys today on my channel. So you see the consistency there, yeah? Alright, cool. So guys, as you guys can see by the title, today I'm doing another hair review for you guys. As I said, I always plug you guys up. Every time I have a new hairstyle, or you want to know where I got my wig from, right to the hair, how to install, all of that, I got you. You don't need to worry about that. Think about it. Like, if you know me, and if you've been watching my videos for a long time, you know that I'll be doing hair reviews for you guys, update you guys. Let me know if there's specific hair that you guys want me to update you on to see if it's still alright and whatnot. But I don't want this video to be too long. Guys, don't mind this staying over here. So annoying. Anyway, cool. So I'm gonna get straight into this video. As you guys can see, your girl's wearing no makeup whatsoever. We doing up natural today. You know, I just wanna, it's not really, I don't have to say, it's like, I'm just trying to show you guys that it's not everyday makeup. Like, I can slay this wig with I can slay this wig with or without makeup. Do you know what I'm trying to say? Like, it's not everyday makeup. So, you know, even if you're trying to go out and look cute like these days, it's a bit hot. It's a little bit hot. Even though this weather, London, UK weather is very, what's the word? It's very bipolar because it be switching and all of that. But anyway, as I said, you know, I'm representing, you know, natural. You can always do it natural, guys. It's not everyday makeup. I'm trying to say, be happy in your skin. Like, I know sometimes you might be having rashes. Like, I've literally just managed to get spots all off of my face. There's a mirror here, that's why I'm gonna be looking here and back and forth when I'm doing my hair. But yeah, I've literally just managed to kill spots off my face. But at the same time, guys, just appreciate yourself. You know what I'm trying to say? Like, I don't want to say it just for the sake of saying it. I'm not saying it just for the sake of my skin looks good right now, but generally, like, you know, here I've got like a little bit of a rash type of thing, but my skin looks smooth. But my point is always be happy in your skin tone and just like, I feel like I'm waffling. But you know what I'm trying to preach about. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Just like natural, like just love yourself how you are. Do you get it? It's not everyday makeup. If you're struggling with it, just try like maybe cut down times that you're trying to wear makeup. Like maybe just wear it when you're only going out with your friends, or just going out proper out, like dinner, motives, parties and that. And then when you're at home going corner shop, or if you're just going on park with your friends or whatever, try to do it natural. Do you know what I'm trying to say? If you keep wearing makeup and not trying to get used to you wearing no makeup, it's going to be hard to stop wearing makeup, if that makes sense. But so y'all know how we do. Guys, you know what I'm saying? I'm so excited. I just don't know. I hope I can slay this wig, period. But as you guys know, this company, I can't lie, I think this is starting to become my favorite hair vendors. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. As I said, I always recommend hair vendors to you guys, and I can't lie, I feel like I recommend this hair vendor to you guys. I feel like because I've like got a lot of hair from them, I could definitely say that the hair they've given me has actually been really good, and I do recommend. The shipping is fast, by the way, guys. But yeah, I don't want this video to be too long, so let me quickly tell you the information about this hair. As you guys know, and you can see by the title, I'm working with Tinashe hair, baby. You know what I'm trying to say? Get to know Tinashe hair. So the hair that I'm going to be, let me quickly show you what's inside the box. So you get this big beautiful pink bag which has the hair vendor's name on it. As you guys can see, human hair, high quality, best choice, period. So this is light pink, has the vendor's name Tinashe hair on it. English. And then inside of it, wig caps. You guys, if you're real Samantha Grace supporter, you know I always tell you guys most hair companies would give you a wig cap in it, and most of the time it's 2 wig caps, not 1. So yeah, 2 wig caps in here. They've also given, see, I used to think this was a bonnet, but this is a bonnet, so this is a shower cap, I guess. But anyway, you know, if you guys watch my videos, you know I've been getting quite a few of these colors, and I think this is a sexy color. But you have this inside, and then you got the refund and return policy leaflet, information in the back, socials at the back, information about how to look after the hair and stuff is all in here, which I love. So in case you think, oh, how do I do this, how do I do that, here. And you also got, I think this is this what I think it is? You got, I think it's the head wrap ties. You see, like when you're doing the edges and that, or you're setting the hair. I don't know, I think I'm right. Yeah, I'm right. So this is what you put around your hair. I think I'm probably going to use it today. Is what you're going to use to wrap around your hair to set your edges. So the hair that I'm going to be styling today, and you also get the clips for the wig bands inside for the hair. And the hair I'm going to be showing you guys today is deep wave, 20 inches. Y'all know we come with the inches, guys, please. We do not do inches, you know what I'm trying to say. But as you guys can see, I think he's gonna fight me. So this is 20 inches. The style is deep wave, 13x4 lace frontal unit. As you guys can see, it has a light on top of it. Oh, girlfriend, I don't know if y'all can see this, but the baby has already pre-plucked. Like, that is already a ching. You know what I'm trying to say? Because usually you'd have to like make baby hairs yourself, but some of them already come pre-plucked, and it is pre-plucked, which I love, which makes my life so much easier. Because more time, that's actually what it takes some time, I'm not gonna lie to you. Because if you don't pluck it properly, either you over pluck it and you actually lose hair, or you won't pluck it properly and it looks thick. So let me put this down. So I'm literally just gonna show you guys the hair, and then I'm gonna install it. You guys are gonna watch me install it. This is cute though. I'm liking this texture, but I can't lie. As soon as I open the box, I'm not gonna trash it to you guys. The hair has a smell. That's one thing I'm not gonna lie to about. It has a really strong smell. You know that hair smell is strong. But apart from that, the cars are cute though. Girlfriend, y'all seen this? Like, let me start with this American accent thing. But as you guys can see, it's already. See, everything's already pre-plucked. We actually love to see it. By the way, guys, my nails broke, so I don't know nobody saying about my nail broken. I know. To be honest, I feel like I'm ready to slay this wig because, honey. But you see, when it says 20 inches, I thought it's gonna be longer than this. But what I just realized is that curly hair always comes a bit more shorter than the length it says, because it's not straight hair, because it's curled up. Otherwise, if it was straight, you know, it would be. Anyway, let me just stop waffling. So as I said, this hair is 20 inches deep wave, 13x4 lace frontal unit, and it does come pre-plucked. So yeah, I'm ready to slay this wig, guys. I don't know if you guys are ready to see me watch this. Like, I don't know if you guys are ready to see me slay this wig. I'm feeling it. I'm actually feeling it. So yeah, I'm gonna be rocking it out natural, no makeup whatsoever. I will do a makeup tutorial. I feel like that's probably gonna be my next video, a makeup tutorial, because a lot of you guys have been asking me. So I'll probably be wearing this hair as well. But anyway, before I get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You know what I'm trying to say, you don't want to miss out, and put my notifications on so you don't miss out on any videos that come out that are similar to this. So yeah, I'm tired of talking, I'm not gonna lie to you. I just want to see this wig on my head, period. So where did I put the bands? So yeah, as you guys can see, before I start, you see this? Oh, my nail. Anyway, so as you guys can see, the bands, right, is where you're gonna clip in these. Make sure you guys have subscribed, make sure you like this video, and let's just get straight into this video, guys. guys, this is the finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I literally a quick tutorial, you know, I'm trying to say how I slay my motherfucking hair. You guys can literally wear this like back, just leaving it chilling, or but I feel like I'm just so used to me looking nice at the side parting, you know what I'm trying to say. This is just a quick tutorial to show you guys how I install this hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, you know the thing said or whatever. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Let me tell you something. I'm your Bonnie and my Clyde. We can take a flight to Miami.